You clicked on the right video today. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your credit. The first thing that you need to do is go to annualcreditreport.com because by going there, it's going to allow you to get a free copy of your credit report. The next thing that you need to do is look at all the negative items that you have that's holding your credit score down. So any collections, charge off, bankruptcy, late payments, and you're going to highlight those, right? And then the next thing that you want to do is send either dispute letters or goodwill letters. So for the late payments, you want to send goodwill letters to the creditors that has those reporting on your credit report, right? So that's the first place to go to see if you can kind of get those removed. The next thing that you need to do is look if you have any collections. Collections is things that you never paid off that the creditor sent to a collection agency. They sold it to a collection agency. The collection agency is gonna try to collect on that. So let's say you owed $1,000, they'll sell it to the collection agency for $100, and then they're gonna try to collect the $1,000 from you, or maybe settle for an amount. They're taking a chance by buying all these debt in bulk, which is in your advantage. I'm going to explain later. So they can collect on that, right? And then you have either bankruptcy, repos, and things like that. We need to identify everything that is holding our credit score down. Then the next thing that we want to do is send dispute letters for each one of those to either the credit bureaus or the creditors or the collection agencies. The reason why is the burden of proof is on the creditor, is on the collection agency. It's not on you. That's how the law was written. It's written in the favor of the consumer. So we're gonna ask them to validate these stuff, right? Either validate the debt, things of that nature. So when you send these letters, they're gonna say, "Hey, we was able to validate the debt for whatever the reason, and it belongs to you." Now you're gonna send another letter, which is under the USC 1681, and that letter is basically asking them, the creditors or the collection agencies, how did you validate the debt? Please provide documentation on how you validated that debt. And they have 15 days to provide that proof to you after you submit your dispute letters. When you send in dispute letters, you want to send them verified mail because you want to track it and make sure that they received it. So if they can't provide to you within 15 days that the process that they took to validate that debt, they have to remove that negative items from your credit report. So those are some of the steps that you have to take, right? The next thing is with the collection agencies, it's even sweeter. The reason why is, remember how I said in the beginning, I'm gonna come back to this one. The collection agency, they buy your debt in bulk. So what they do is, let's say they go to Chase, all the people who didn't pay their credit cards, or Wells Fargo or something like that. Chase is the creditor. So what they do is, since you guys defaulted on the debt, they're gonna sell that debt to a collection agency. They're gonna take a discount on it or whatever, right? Let's say they have $1 million worth of people who did not pay their debt. They sell it to a collection agency for, I don't know, $50,000 or something like that, right? They just want a little bit of it back because they know you ain't gonna pay. So, and you don't care about it anyway. So now the collection agency is buying $1 million worth of debt for 50,000. Now their goal is to go dial these phones and call people and harass them to collect on that money. The collection agency, they know they're not going to collect the $1 million that they just bought the debt for. Well, they bought the debt for 50,000. They know they're not going to collect for $1 million. If they collect for 200,000, 300,000, that's still a win for them, right? They're gonna call everyone, harass them, and trying to collect. Now, if you do end up paying the collection amount that you owe to the collection agency, and you don't ask them to remove the collection off your credit report, what they're gonna do is they're gonna collect payment, and you're still gonna have that negative item. To go back to it, what you need to do is you send a debt validation letter to the collection agency telling them to verify your debt, right? The reason why is, since they buy these debt in bulk, it's hard for them to try to validate your debt because they just got a spreadsheet of what you owe. They don't have the original documentation of you taking that debt or applying for that credit card, or not paying your phone bill or whatever with T-Mobile or Sprint, whatever it may be, right? So it's harder for collection agencies to prove that you own the debt. So that's why you want to send debt validation letters to a collection agency. Is going to increase your chances of getting that negative items off your credit report. Now, is this 100% guaranteed? Absolutely not. the burden of proof is on them, and we want to make sure that we're trying whatever we can in our power to get that removed. I get it. Some people are going to be in the comments talking about, hey, you owe the debt, pay the debt, whatever. I get it. Yeah, you should owe what you should pay what you owe. But if you can use the law that's in your favor, a lot of people can't afford to pay those debt because they accumulated so much over time due to interest. Credit cards are charging people 25, 30% interest over a period of like 2, 3, 4, 5 years. You done paid them already. It's just the interest that accumulates on top of the debt that you have to keep paying. So it's really hard to really pay that stuff off. So in my eyes, you already paid the debt if you made payments for years and then ended up defaulting. So let's use the law right now in our favor to see if we can remove any collection, charge off, any of these things off our credit report. I do promote an AI credit repair software called DisputeBeast. It is the #1 AI credit repair software in the game. It will help you send dispute letters at a click of a button. It will generate the dispute letters for you and mail them for you. To use that, click the link down below in the description, check it out. And if your credit score does not increase, you get 110% of your money back, meaning they'll pay you if it doesn't work. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.